Hello to you. My name is Sandra, but you can call me Coach Sandra. So I'm just popping in to do a short video where I'll be sharing with you how to apply for a Turkey e-visa. So e-visa means that it's electronic. You do not need to go in person to the consulate or the embassy for you to be able to complete the application for a visa. It's simple. It takes less than 10 minutes for you to do this application, and this is exactly what I am going to be sharing with you. Another advantage is that if you apply for a Turkey e-visa and you have a copy of it, you also will be able to have entry into North Cyprus. All right, so I'm sharing this information. It's simple, it's easy. You can do it even on your phone, and you will be able to receive a copy of your visa. So I've put in the link, a copy of the link in the description box. If you're ready to apply for this visa, just go into the description box, click on the link, and then the next thing is you click on new application. Once you've clicked on new application, it will give you a form. Select a country wherever you are a resident, or the passport that you're holding is the country that you need to choose. So for example, I'll choose South Africa because I know for South Africa it's free to get an e-visa. All right, type in the code, save and continue. All right, then the next page that's going to pop up, it will tell you that your visa is valid for 180 days, which is 6 months, and you cannot exceed 30 days. So specifically, I'm speaking to people that want to apply for a business visa, or they are going there for the purposes of a visit. Anything that has to do with academics or education, please visit the Turkish embassy and they'll be able to give you more information. All right, as you can see at the bottom, it says no fee. Do not allow anyone to tell you that you need to pay for a fees unless you have done your research and there is a fee required. But specific for South Africa and a lot of other countries, there's no fees required. Click save and continue. There's a form that you need to fill in, which is part of your passport information: name, last name, passport information, expiry date, email. It's important that you put your email because this is where they'll send through your copy of your e-visa. Once you filled in the information, click add new person and you will receive a notification of your visa. So this is an example of the Turkey visa. I've already done mine, so I'm not going to be putting in my personal information. But this is an example of how your visa should look, and make sure that you've received it on your email, download it, print it, so that you can have a copy when you decide to travel. Okay, so the reason why I'm sharing this information with you is because I am part of an organization where we help people that want to invest in international properties, which is mainly in North Cyprus. And I was there in March of 2022 for just over 5 days. We had fun. It was exciting. There's a lot of things that you can do when you go there. And guess what? This company allows you to have free accommodation. So this time around, we have group tours, which are September, October, and also in November. And then you're getting 3 nights and 4 days free accommodation. For you to be able to get more information about this, please send me a message. My WhatsApp link is on the description box. I will be able to answer all the questions that you want. I mean, honestly, if you get free accommodation, the only thing that you would need to do is get your flight ticket and a little bit of spending money. The rest is taken care of when we get there, when we go in for the business tour. All right, so if you have any questions, make sure that you put it in the comment section, or you can send me a message directly. I will be able to respond to you immediately. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like and share my videos. Thank you so much and have a good evening.